There's our little girl, huh? Did you have a good dinner? Yeah, you did, huh? You happy now? Really? What else did you do? That's great. Now Mama gets to eat some dinner? Huh? Tell me more. Tell me some stories. Tell me all about your day. You get to hang out here all day. Did your voice change, Haley? That wasn't you, was it? That was a puppy. Did you hear the puppy? Yeah, that was Betty. She wants to know where all these creatures are coming from. We let them get bigger and then we get new ones. I love you. I love you so much. Makes me want to pick you up and hold you. Yes, it does. I just want to hold you forever. Your mama says it's your fussy time of the day. I don't think so. Tell her, not here, not today. Do you know your mama's sitting right here? You can't see her? My mom's like, she changes every time I see a new picture of her. She's different. I said, yeah, she does, though. She really is very different every time. She's like